I've been in real estate for over 30 years, and I started in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania as an agent, and I eventually went into roles in leadership, career development, managed offices, and ended as a regional vice president before I moved to South Carolina. Well, I have to tell you, when we moved to South Carolina, I was a little nervous about finding a company that aligns with my vision and my values. And I interviewed a lot of companies. I'm sure I drove a lot of people crazy because I had a lot of questions. But at the end of the day, INNOVATE was the only one that really checked all the boxes. I mean, starting from when I walked in the door, the culture, the people, but I think a lot of it, I really loved the tools and the support, not to just grow a business now, but for financial stability in the future. I mean, the marketing is unbelievable. It's modern, it's professional, it's easy. The commission plan is incredible. It is definitely designed with the agent in mind. It's very easy, it's very generous. The training, the brokers, the whole package is great. But I think what really sealed it for me was the fact that it offered a revenue share program and private equity shares so that in the future I could have financial stability, and that's what I was looking for.